Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So last video, we went through some boxes, found some old parts, and we ended up ordering some stuff that we needed. And this video we're gonna unbox it. See what we do. So we finally got our parts. We came in today. Now we're gonna go through and see what we got.
Nicely packaged.
Oh yeah. So we got the lower shaft for the distributor.
Beautiful.
Oh, everything came in this little bag. So we got all 4 spark plugs, the rotor for the distributor,
Nice.
coil bracket mounting. So these are like the little hardware for it. Nice little package. I like that.
I'm here. Official licensed product. That's always good to see.
That is the distributor wire.
Cool.
Goes to the cap.
Beautiful. The
Yeah.
distributor cap.
Cap right there.
We like it.
See what
Ooh,
this bad
a
boy
box
is.
inside of a box. Gotcha. There we go.
Oh yeah.
That's what we like to
And
see.
this is the new distributor.
Brand spanking new. Nice and clean.
Yeah.
This is the modern one, right? We went with the modern version.
We did go to the modern version, so now we have that new cap that we got. We put the wires right on instead of having to feed it through.
Cool.
And this is the new condenser. It's a more modern one, but should be pretty much all we need to get this thing going. We started up.
Yeah, at least start it up.
Let's see, I think there's a couple other little things.
Miscellaneous stuff. We kind of went crazy ordering some stuff.
Oh yeah, we got some fuel lines. One of these is going to be going to the carburetor from the firewall, which I think is this one.
Yeah, that one's a longer one.
Longer, and I think the smaller end goes to the carburetor.
And that side goes to the
Firewall, or vice versa. And this one is from the gas tank
to the firewall. Or it could be the other way around. We don't really know.
And
We'll
we
figure it
got
out when
some
we get there.
wires.
Cool.
So, I think that's literally all we're gonna need to get this thing going. At least start it up real quick. Get some starter fluid in the carburetor or something. This thing should be turning over soon.
Alright, so this is some stuff that we had ordered a while back, actually.
Totally
Kinda
forgot that we
about
got it. Yeah.
Just a carb gasket there. Not too many stuff, but all brand new. Coil, brand new. 6 volt.
See, that's money right there.
Yeah, right. Even more spark plugs. We got all 4 in here.
We're gonna be going through those.
So
These
it's
older
nice to
cars
have
burn through that.
the
Those are the spark plug connectors.
exactly. Even the bracket for
Got another bracket.
the spark plug or the coil. So yeah, just about everything we'll need. We'll have doubles up, so that's always nice. And we had found in the last video, if you guys remember, we found the other coil that looked brand new. Well, now we have 2 basically brand new ones. So we're gonna go with this one first, just to give it a shot, so we know it's brand new. It's still in the package. So yeah, we're gonna see how it goes. We'll keep you guys updated. We kind of got a late start today, so we'll probably catch you guys tomorrow. We'll start getting everything together, start putting everything on the Model A here. See you guys tomorrow.
So we started working on the distributor. Got it right there. Got our boy Angel helping us today. Trying to get this thing on.
That feels like that, but this needs to line up with these. Feel me? Yeah.
don't really have much experience with these things, so.
Or any at all.
Yeah.
That'd be a way to turn it. Imagine that. That's simple. Get the cap on. Alright. I see that light real quick.
Mhm.
Thanks. There we go.
Cool.
Sweet.
So now, maybe we don't need that.
Possibly.
I'm thinking we might not need it.
Okay. Alright, well, I guess we can grab the
Coil?
coil.
Bracket?
Yeah.
Pretty good. So up next we're putting the coil on. Got the bracket. Yep.
Yeah, well, this tightens. You know what I mean?
Oh, okay.
So it'll squeeze. Okay, but we'll just mount it up first. 2 screws, huh? Lines up, that's good. Everything can just sit right on top of it, bro. It's like a little table, little workbench. Should be that flathead if you want to grab it for me. Cool. It's on there. Just like that is it. Alright, cool. So now we got the distributor and the coil on. Should we get the spark plugs?
Yeah.
Grab some spark plugs.
Now we're putting the spark plugs in. goes in like that.
One down. Oh, drop everything. You see what I'm saying? It's like
Yeah.
he doesn't wanna. Gosh.
Huh?
I got this one. Didn't have to do this for the Hondas.
I know. I mean, you also had to take out the whole
Yeah, right.
thing. But we're not going to talk about that. I got it.
You got it. Oh.
Obviously, we'll tighten these after.
Yeah, we're hand tightening for now. Oil's got to go in here, right?
I would think so.
I think so too. Only
Put a
place
little
that
bit in there.
makes any sense, I feel like. Go straight to the motor. I mean, I don't want to just pour it through the heads. Where the spark plug go? This should be next, huh?
What, the manifold?
Right?
Probably.
We got the carburetor sitting in some.
Yeah, it's there. Don't even know if this stuff's good. We just had it laying in the garage. Let's see. Yeah, but it already looked filthy in there before.
Oof.
That's exciting.
That's what you always want to hear.
Right. Alright. Guess now we could grab a spark plug socket, tighten them down a little bit.
Yep.
Oil, right?
Coil's
Closest
upside
one's
down.
4. Yeah, see?
It shows it. Coil's upside down.
Coil sits upside down. Thank you.
Alright then.
I swear I thought I seen one that was upside down.
Well, we're gonna do some more work. I'm gonna put this thing on a time lapse and
Closest one.
get back to you guys when we're almost done.
So, does that make sense?
So, we got it all wired up. We just need to get wires from this coil to the starter. Then this thing should be able to go. But ran out of time and we've got to do some more research. And we'll be getting this thing going here real soon.
Couple steps closer.
Oh yeah.
What's that? 4 steps closer. So,
Nope.
it'll be going before we know it.
Yep.
But we're gonna wrap it up tonight. We'll catch you guys hopefully a couple days. We're gonna try to be posting a little bit more often now. Get you guys updated. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave comments if you have any anything to say. Want to help us out with what we're doing. If you have any idea what we're doing with the wires that we need to run from the coil there, that'd be awesome. A little bit of help never hurts. Yeah, we appreciate it.
All right, guys. See ya.